Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the VOVIPO 14-inch 3-in-1 charging stand and laptop sleeve bag. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its casing, it comes with an additional bag wrap, and in there you'll also find a USB charging cable. I'm not sure if it's USB-A or C. We'll unwrap this. All right, so it is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So we'll just quickly kind of show you the USB-C charging port is right there. As you can see, it comes with a little bit of foam in there. And just going to highlight a couple things. First of all, this is kind of going to be like a stand, optional to use if you want, and kind of just a little piece to set up there as well. As you can see, this goes in, and there'll be charging capabilities here, two different slots, and also works as a magnet. On the front, there's a nice little spot pocket folder. So we're going to charge it up and then show you kind of charging stuff and take it from there. All right, so as you can tell, this thing fits perfectly into the sleeve. One of the things that I wish it did do was kind of identify that it's charging. You can't really tell that it's charging, or anything like that. But I do want to show that you can just slap this on. You'll see that's charging. Your phone will charge. So all those things charge while you're keeping this next to you, which is great. I just wish that it was, again, kind of something that you could tell was easy to see. And as far as using this, we'll just kind of, oops, sorry, wrong side. Just show you how easy it is to set up as a stand if needed. So it's totally awesome. So to me, this thing is totally worth buying. Fits great, hides everything that you need in there quickly, and it's portable. The only thing I wish it did was kind of identified that the charging was there. So otherwise, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.